Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your App Store region. Before you make this switch, you must spend any remaining store credit you might have. Also, remember to cancel all active subscriptions, like Apple Music or iCloud storage plans, to avoid issues. Any active pre-orders for apps or media should be completed or canceled as well. Lastly, ensure you have a valid payment method and a billing address ready for your chosen new country. Let's begin by opening the Settings application on your iPhone or iPad. From there, simply tap on your name, which you will find prominently displayed at the very top of the screen. Next, select Media and Purchases, then choose View Account. You will then be prompted to authenticate your identity, perhaps with Face ID or your device passcode, before proceeding. Once you are in your account settings, locate and tap on the Country/Region option. You will then see the choice to change country or region. Select this to proceed. Now, simply browse through the comprehensive list and choose your desired new country. Take a moment to carefully review the terms and conditions specific to that region, and finally, accept them to move forward. To finalize this process, you will need to provide a valid payment method that is accepted in your newly chosen region. Additionally, it is crucial to enter a local billing address corresponding to that country. After accurately filling in all the required contact details, review everything one last time. Confirming this information will complete your store change, and your App Store will then display content specific to your new region.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.